Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with my FJ Cruiser. Today we're gonna be replacing rear axle sway bar links because I broke off one on our last trip, and what I've got is this Skyjacker suspension, and this is how it looks. All the parts. Yep, and this is what we're gonna replace today. Okay, let's take off the rest of that sway bar link. This is number 17 over here. That's what we're gonna do right now. It's been sitting there for a while. One down, one to go. The old links are out. Here is how you're gonna assemble the link. You can see how all the parts goes together. Okay, we got one side in. This is how it looks. Here you have the difference between the old and the new. You can see how thick this is. Okay, second side is done, and we're heading out in a couple of days where I'm gonna test it out and let you know how does it work. Thanks for watching, and see you again on the other video.